Jetta, remember when I sang a song for you and it was about you and how much I love you? Let's.
Brandy.
You could hot dog both of us.
Jetta!
You're right! He looks like the ghost of Christmas past.
Hey guys, we're at Pocket Watch. My name is Brandy.
My name is Jetta.
Vitaly!
He's Vitaly.
Today we're going to play a game. It is called Eat It, Wear It, or Share It. We have 2 wheels here. We're gonna spin these wheels. If it lands on Eat It, you eat it. If it lands on Wear It, you wear it. If it lands on Share It, you get to decide what the person gets if they get to eat it or wear it. Get it?
Got it.
Get it?
Got
Got
it.
it? Good.
Good.
Am I going first?
Jetta's going.
Jetta?
Let's see, Jetta.
God, I don't even know how to be strategic about
The wheel will decide.
I dread all of you. I dread all of you.
Nice.
Oh,
spin.
please.
Oh, salad dressing.
Salad dressing!
What?
Okay, let's spin that and see if she
Salad
has to
dressing
eat
always tasty with salad, never tasty on the
Oh,
body.
okay.
I don't even want to see what's gonna happen. You guys
I'll tell
me.
you.
Eat it.
Eat it! Ooh, that's not that bad.
Is it? Is it not that bad?
So grab your dressing.
Good news, everyone. It's light dressing.
Okay,
That
okay.
really calms all of my fears.
Does it smell good?
No.
Does it smell?
3.
3, 2, 1, go!
That's a big squirt.
That does not look tasty.
That made me feel sick. Taste that,
That does not look fun.
You know, they said the dispenser is a convenient dispenser. It's a little too convenient. Oh
Okay.
my gosh, I would not wish that upon my worst enemies.
Okay, Brandy.
Spin it. It is
Bless
my
you,
turn.
sweet
Oh,
child.
You're
Please.
gone.
Ice cream, ice cream. Come on.
Cereal!
Okay.
That's really not
Okay.
Okay. I'll gladly eat it if
I hope you get share it, because then I
Eat it.
get it.
no.
Share it.
Share it.
Come on, eat it.
Share it.
Oh!
I am gonna share with Vitaly, and I'm gonna choose for him to wear it.
What?
How
What?
sweet of you. Okay.
Wait.
Go ahead. Okay.
Wait.
Just test
Well,
it. Just test it. You know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Start the day off right. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Do I have? That's way worse than what you had.
You're getting milk all over us. Please, sir.
Uh,
Well, Vitaly,
okay.
now it's your turn, buddy.
Oh, how
You lucky
exciting!
boy. Lucky boy. How I wish I was you.
Mayo.
Mayo. Mayo.
Yes! Yes! The wheel gods love me. I salute you. Okay.
Oh. Marshmallows!
Okay,
Yes!
let's see if she has to eat it, wear it, or share it.
I would not mind any of these.
Share
Sure.
it. You know what?
Brandy, I'm gonna have you eat them.
By
All
eat
at
'em.
once!
Oh my god, I'm like,
The whole bag, all in
Yeah.
there. Let me help you.
Oh, I think I can
Listen,
eat by
I'm an
myself.
experienced eater, and I just know how to
I
do it.
think I know
best.
how to eat.
If you just put it all the way.
Okay.
You're not chewing. You have to chew, Brandy. You can get more in there. And here you thought you had an
Oh wait,
easy.
do you want some more? Some more?
Some more? Oh, that's a good one. Yeah.
Yes!
Brandy is staying clean. I'm the only dirty one
amazing.
here.
You need right now.
Let's see.
Oh, flour!
Oh!
This could be really great.
Is that even edible? I don't even know if I'm allowed to eat it, so hopefully it's not eat it.
I've never
You
had
can
a
eat it. It goes in.
flour.
It goes.
That's really.
Wear it!
Wear it!
Oh man.
Oh, yes.
Oh, don't try. I ate it. You should at least be like, hey, I'm about to put it all over your face. Hold on a
You look
second.
like the abominable snowman.
Snowing.
It's
I'm
beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
There you go.
Oh my god. Vitaly just aged like 40 years. It's like looking at a future Vitaly.
Wow. You look like a superhero. It's Chalk Boy.
Okay.
Your turn.
It's my turn.
Okay.
Anything that won't make me gag.
Mustard!
You get
I
the
hope she
complete
gets
opposite
wear
of
it.
what you asked. Let's see.
My needs are simple.
I am not hoping for a wear it.
Oh man.
Oh,
Oh,
please,
boy.
please
Please not
share.
share it.
Why? Why?
Mustard is so easy to eat.
I'm shaking it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, mustard. Oh. Oh. Oh man.
Are you okay?
Oh yeah. No, this
Okay.
is forever.
I'll never forget this. Oh, what do I have?
Salad dressing! I hope you get to wear it.
I hope I
No, I
don't want to
I
eat
want
it.
someone else to taste it.
Yeah, let's hope it's share it.
We'll see.
Come on. Wear it.
Wear it.
I can do that. Oh boy. Let me help you. Jetta.
I'm just gonna plug my nose so I don't have
capable.
to.
I am perfectly capable.
I know you're capable, but let me help you.
This smells
help
gonna be
me
so bad.
help you.
Oh, it's cold. Oh, nice and cold. Oh, hello. I love the smell of zesty Italian dressing.
That's okay.
It looks like someone has vomited all over me.
I actually feel like I might.
Okay, my turn. Jedi, spin the wheel.
Here we go, Vitaly. Mayo, 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 mayo.
Oh, so close.
No.
Yeah.
Come on.
Here,
Jetta.
for the sake of you
Keep coming
guys,
back.
I'll eat some.
No. Oh, okay, eat some. There you go. Yes.
Why did you choose to do this?
That's gross. This isn't edible.
Oh my gosh! What is happening?
Dude, if there was a hot dog, you would have a good old hot dog right now.
Okay, just spin it.
I got
Just
oh,
spin it.
sorry, I forgot. I'm still trying to clean out the flour out of my mouth.
Physically crying.
Oh, you get to share it.
Jetta, I love you. Jetta.
Stop
Beg for mercy.
Jetta, remember when I sang a song for you and it was about you and how much I love you? Let's.
Brandy,
You could hot dog both of us.
You're right. He looks like the ghost of Christmas past.
Jetta?
Oh my god. I'm crying. I love you so much. I'm crying too. It's a very emotional experience.
I don't know if it's sad or happy crying.
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream?
That's enough for that.
That's so good. You better not get to
I
eat it.
just
Whipped
got
cream's
whipped
actually
cream.
so good.
Please share it.
Where
Where
it? You're a crazy.
Someone get this crazy woman out of here.
I almost got out of this clean.
What is happening? No!
It's not doing anything.
Leave!
She's foaming at the mouth.
Shoe!
She's foaming at the mouth. I see my throat of
Liz! No! Liz!
You're seriously evil.
Liz,
You're evil.
Stop!
Security.
Security!
Security. Shut, but I will.
Brenda, are you even wearing any?
Will I ever be
I
able to
am
eat you?
wearing it?
There are so many liquids on me right now, Vitaly. You don't even know.
Wait, whose turn is it?
It's my turn.
It's Vitaly's turn.
Oh,
it's spraying.
no.
It's spraying with cream.
Yogurt!
Oh, why is everything spraying
Oh,
at us?
that's good too.
That's disgusting.
Okay.
No!
Eat it! enough? I got a whole scoop.
That is not enough. That's not enough.
More. Yeah. This yogurt is gross.
We will never, our friendship will never be the same. Our sanity will never, we are changed people. One more round, Brandy. Just one more round.
Last round, please. Ice cream.
Ice cream! You better be wearing this, Jenna.
I am so happy right now.
Share.
Yes. Let's all share. Let's just all sit around it. Yeah. Okay. Wow, that was
This is
been
good.
nice.
Thank you, Jenna. This
You're
is
welcome.
very good.
Back into the game. Okay, here we go, Brandy. Oh boy.
Let's see what you're gonna do with that yogurt.
Ice cream we've had before. I can't have that again.
Ooh, shoulder pads.
Oh, I
Shoulder pads are
nowhere.
in.
Body
nice.
massage.
Beautiful shoulder
Why are you
pads.
so tense?
Let me see your nails.
Jenna, we got it all over ourselves.
Good.
No one wins. No one wins in this game.
Okay, it's my turn. Dun dun dun. Please.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Let's spin it.
No.
What is it? What's
This is
it
the
gonna
final
be?
round. This is all for you.
Gonna be. I'm
all
gonna grab it
for
before
you,
you can
baby.
steal it away from me.
Buddy, I just want to say you're going to do a great
doesn't
job.
even
I'm
fall, it
so
stays in
proud
one
of
You
you.
guys can keep it on my
You are
fingers.
making You just look like
Thank you. Thank you for rubbing it into my
you look
chest.
like walking Chipotle sauce.
Oh,
You got a little kiss
no.
on it.
Oh, this is great.
You got a little
No.
kiss on it.
Natalie, stop it.
You gotta-
No, I'm good. I'm good. Natalie, no. I will make.
Oh, you will mail me? I'm already mailed. You've already nailed me.
I don't think Natalie's okay.
I've already been nailed.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching us descend into madness. Like, share, subscribe. My name is Jenna.
I'm Vitaly.
This is Brandy.
Brandy, are
Or
you
what's
okay?
What's left of Brandy? This video also